Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace LCD screen display on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 10.4 T500 T505 2020 models. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the screen. And then insert plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. If your screen has many cracks, gently remove the pieces and clean the surface. Next, gently lift and flip the screen to relax on the body. Next, take out the battery connector bracket by undoing the screw. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, undo two screws to take out the bracket. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug. And now the screen unit can leave from the body. Next, disconnect and pull out the LCD flex connector from the broken screen. Next, place and secure the LCD flex on the new screen. Next, connect the LCD flex to the logic board and then secure the battery plug. Next, test and verify the functionality of the new screen. Next, secure the LCD bracket by adding 2 screws and the battery bracket by adding 1 screw. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use P7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Next, gently slide in the screen from the bottom to the top. Slightly apply pressure on the edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.